How to create a Discord account on PC. So here is a quick and easy guide on how to do so. So let's get started. First of all, open your preferred web browser on your device. Then simply navigate to the discord.com by simply tapping on the search address bar and typing it down. So once inside the discord.com, you can simply see login option available at the top right, but there is no sign up. Now simply trust the process and tap on the login option available there. Once you tap on the login, you can see there is register at the bottom of the login box. Now again tap on the register option available there. Now you will be navigated to sign up form. Username, email address, password, date of birth, fill out everything and simply click on the continue option available at the bottom. So here as you can see I have filled out all my informations. Now tap on the continue option available there and navigate to your new Discord account. You might be asked to fill up the CAPTCHA. Then simply fill out the CAPTCHA. And once your CAPTCHA is completed, you will be navigated to your new Discord account. And that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.